Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Snapchat public profile. First, open Snapchat and tap your Bitmoji in the top left corner to go to your profile screen. Scroll down to the Public Profiles section. If you don't see it, ensure your account is at least 24 hours old and you are over 18 years of age. This section is where you'll begin the process. Once you're in the Public Profiles section, you'll see an option to Create Public Profile. Tap this to proceed. Snapchat will present a brief overview of what a public profile entails. Read through this information carefully. After reviewing, confirm your decision to create the profile. This action makes your profile visible to a broader audience on Snapchat. Now that your public profile is created, it's time to customize it. Tap Edit Profile to add a bio, which is a short description about yourself or your content. You can also add your location. Next, select which of your public stories and spotlight submissions you want to display. This helps showcase your best content to new viewers. To see how your public profile looks to others, tap View Public Profile. You can always go back and edit your bio or featured content. To help others find you, tap the share icon to easily share your public profile link across other platforms or directly with friends. This is a great way to grow your audience on Snapchat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.